Home Minister Amit Shah attacks the opposition parties over the cash haul. This is the Jharkhand story that's clearly developing. Has become a huge political showdown. Home Minister Amit Shah has said, one who loots the public money will go to jail. It's a massive cash haul. Remember, we're talking about crores of rupees that were found in cash in the election-bound Jharkhand. Mountains of cash seized from an aide of Jharkhand minister, serving minister, rural development minister, Alamgir Alam's close aide, personal assistants. And those associated with him is where this money has been recovered. We were told that this was PA Sanjeev where this cash haul has been recovered from. The minister is a rural development from the Rural Development Ministry, and the ED raids otherwise are in 6 locations as well. ED lens is now on the minister also, and with the election time money laundering. Listen in to Home Minister Amit Shah.
बंगाल के दीदी के मंत्रियों के घर से 50 करोड़ रुपया कैश मिलती है। झारखंड में कांग्रेस के एमपी के घर से 350 करोड़ रुपया कैश मिली, 350 करोड़ रुपया रोकड़ा। और आज कल रात को ही झारखंड में एक मंत्री के घर से 30 करोड़ रुपया जब्त हुआ है भाइयों, 30 करोड़ रुपए। मुझे बताओ, जिन्होंने गरीब बंगाल की जनता का पैसा लूटा है, वो जेल की सलाखों के पीछे जाने चाहिए या नहीं जाने चाहिए?
Paliwal joining me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, clearly it's the political showdown that started. The money that's estimated to be about 22,000 crore rupees in cash. What has Home Minister basically said, and do you think the BJP is going to go all guns blazing against other leaders, where specifically from Congress, JMM in Jharkhand?
Well, definitely, that's not just Home Minister Amit Shah, but we also saw how Prime Minister Narendra Modi just a couple of hours ago made a similar allegation and also said that it is his government, that it is Prime Minister Narendra Modi who himself is making sure that the corrupt do not eat the money. So definitely we are now seeing how the BJP is now making corruption the main agenda just before the third phase of elections, and also saying that it's only the BJP that can stop the corruption and in return will make sure that the money actually goes to the people who need it and not in the pockets of leaders.
All right, so Aishwarya Paliwal tracking how this has become, apart from the investigating angle, the political showdown ahead of phase 3 that's erupted over this. Thank you very much, Aishwarya, for now.